Okay, now what we did was with this XT, well, what Jay did was figure out what the wiring was, and it looks like the old wire from the old unit. They jacked into the wire right here. You see how this is supposed to look like this, because this is gonna plug into your headlight. And the yellow wire that's coming out of the stock one is gonna go where, Jay?
I was saying, I gotta
Oh, sorry.
the wires.
Oh, we have to still do some searching. And then with this, we bought off of eBay, like I showed you earlier. You're gonna have to splice in the wires to the old connector, because a lot of the times the old connector will not work. So you have to make sure you trace your wires down and connect them accordingly. Not only that, but the wires coming out of the ignition won't always coordinate with the color of the wires that you're gonna attach to your existing connector. So we're just gonna hope and pray that everything will fire up. Also, he disabled the safeties, the kickstand, the clutch, and the neutral safeties. So we're gonna have to take a look at those wires. If we can do without them, we will. If we cannot, we will not. I get my master electrician Jay right there. Right on, wow. I haven't seen him in a long time, but we're gonna get this thing done. Aloha. This is part 4. Part 4. Carburation. This is your YDLS carburetor. Had it cleaned up. Changed everything. Oh yeah, you know over here. Let me show you something, guys. Right over here. If you get a problem with lining this up so that it works like this, you know, when you put the two carburetors back together, I didn't see any show any really detailed video of how it goes back together. Yeah, this is the way it goes. Mine, this thing was up over here. I don't know how the heck it got up there. And then I found out that this was stripped out. So I took out the lock washer. I put in some Loctite. I did that. The choke broke off. So what I had to do was buy a Chinese choke that they said that, yeah, fit on the XT350. Yeah, well, I had to grind it down and tap it out and make it fit, but it fits now nicely, and this carburetor is now rebuilt. But I just wanted to show you guys how this has got to go back together. And then this roller here, you can adjust this roller here if the distance, if it's not up against it, like that, then you loosen this, and with a screwdriver you kind of play with it, and you'll see which way it goes, and then you'll be able to tighten the distance between here and here, because you're gonna want that dialed in. And that's what it looks like, bro, from the back. That's what it should look like. We have it assembled. Okay, guys. The bottom part, I had a bunch of corrosion, so I went ahead and cleaned it up and got it painted, some rust paint, and cleaned up everything. So she's ready to go back on now. And you'll see the Swan. I turned this ugly ducking wing into part 4. I've got just ordered the back tire because the back one is not street legal. Got the ignition all wired up. Today we did the right control. I ordered it from Dennis. The left control, that one is your turn signals, your high-lows, and your horn. It plugged right in. Dennis Kirk, and it was the best price as well. So if you're looking for that, go get it from them. Or you can buy it a used one. It's up to you. But this one is really cherry. And I just got my Scrambler license. Well, not license plate. I'm gonna put my Scrambler headlight, and I'm gonna put this here to block the speedo and tacho. It's gonna be really nice. It's gonna be a Scrambler XT350 model. Okay, guys. Wish me well. You're gonna see. Next week we're gonna do the back end. Do all this frame, the motor. Right now we're just working on the front, getting all the wiring. The wiring, bro. Got a new battery. Got some new wires in there.